You can now record your meetings and have them transcribed. This will help your work so much. What else can you do? You can record yourself talking and then have the transcription. This is amazing for meetings. Don't miss out. This is the tutorial. Let's start. It's free. You can download the extension or have it on your phone, as you wish. Sign up to the tool and you're good to go. So this is the interface. I already had a meeting, so this is what you'll find. But let's start by integrating Fireflies in Zoom. And you can also do it in other platforms. Choose integrations. It's in alphabetical order. Enable integration. Save settings. Start your Zoom meeting. Copy your link and then just paste it here. Then go back to Zoom and that's it. All you have to do is your meeting and you'll see that you'll have an icon saying that the recording is being made. And now the magic starts. After a few minutes, you have your meeting ready to be used. Let's check it out. Here you have some options. You can collapse, meaning that this menu on the left will disappear. But you can increase or resize the transcript. As you can see, you have a summary on the left and on the right you have the transcript. You can click on the audio and listen and follow the text. This is brilliant, isn't it? I'm talking in Portuguese, by the way.
Aqui há uma necessidade de desenvolver mudanças significativas para que possamos preparar os alunos de forma...
So Fred is our buddy and he can answer questions about what you transcribed, your meeting. How useful is this? This is so amazing. I asked for bullet points of the main ideas. Some other options. You can also create sound bites, which are parts you want to highlight, and you can even send that to someone in your team, for example. Select the part you want to create the soundbite in, and that's it.
E aqui há uma necessidade de desenvolver mudanças significativas.
What's missing now? Now you just have to share the soundbite if you want to, or the whole transcription. You can send it to someone, or you can simply share the link. This is wow, I love it. Again, if you like the video, do check out my playlists on amazing free AI tools for you in your projects. And if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here. I'm sorry about the voice, I was really sick. So thank you so much. Bye bye for now.